Okay, Assalamualaikum. That's Okay, okay. This is how you gonna how we're gonna do the graph fitting using Excel. Okay, okay. So kenapa kita buat graph fitting adalah kita nak plot lah. Alright. First of all, you guys gonna plot. Okay, first of all kena select the data. So you, for example, you have a MB, and then you have M. Right. So this is the data. So we want to find the friction coefficient. Okay. So insert. All right. So then you put here. So you insert the scattered. So you use scattered. All right. So you have the data. All right. So you have the data here. Okay. Then. Okay. Then. So why we want to, how we're gonna find the friction coefficient? First of all, we know that from the equation the friction coefficient F equal to friction coefficient times with N. All right. So we know that N is the normal force, which is equal to the mdg here. All right. Then the force is the friction force is equal to capital M times with G. All right. So from the equation we can cancel the G, and then what left is capital M equal to the the friction coefficient times with MB. All right. So we know from the equation that if we plot the M against MB, we find that the friction coefficient is equal to the gradient. All right. So we already plot the graph, but how we're gonna find the gradient? Okay. First of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the fitting, or we'll do the fitting, because the data is scattered, right? So we cannot see whether there is a line. How we're gonna find? How we're gonna do the line? All right. First of all, we click here the data, and then you click right click, and then you add right line. Okay, and you choose here whether we know that from the equation the equation is linear, so the function is linear, right? So if the function is cubic, so we put here polynomial, so cubic here. But from the equation we know that it's linear. All right, so we put here linear, and then all right. So how we're gonna find the equation is we they already the line already display, right? All right, so the line already display. So we already see the straight line here. Okay, so this is the fitting. But what we want to know is the gradient. So you don't need to calculate, actually. You don't need to calculate the gradient. Already the SL we will do for us. All right. First of all, you click the display equation on the on chart. Okay, click here. All right. So you can see the equation. All right. So here you see the equation. So let me zoom in for you and make it bigger for you. All right. So this is the equation. All right. So but we don't need the uh the C intercept here. So you click the line here again, and then you set intercept. Okay, set intercept to 0. All right, set intercept to 0. So so if you notice that if doesn't set the if you set the intercept to 0, all right. So the gradient is changing is changed, right? So the gradient change. All right. So so we know that this is the gradient. All right. So because this is M, capital M here, and then this is capital, this is MB. All right. So it's exactly like this equation. All right. So we know that this one is equal to the friction coefficient is equal to 2.988. All right. So, but first of all, you need to change the unit for mass here to kg. Change it to kg first of all. So that's the reminder for you. Okay. Thank you.